Hello YouTube, good morning. This is your host Tommy Cam of Learning Life and Living RIA Scanners. Today's video, what we are planning to talk a little bit about, and I did a little bit of research about this last night. It's talking about the different RIA scanner frequencies in this area like they use, plus also today's video, what we are also going to be talking a little bit about, it's how my day at the Excel Center went yesterday. And I am so very excited about talking about this because this place is honestly like one of my favorite places. They have like so many nice people there. So getting back and talking about this. So yesterday was all about the infrastructure. Going to be talking. Yesterday I talked about seeing what my valuers were. Yesterday I seen what different stuff looked like in my different two courses coming up, which I feel really excited about checking out. Plus also like yesterday, I also updated my resume, which I feel really proud of that I did, and I also am looking forward to on staying out like some good RIA resumes and stuff, like some good RIA reference. Now my future job is maybe gonna go into like media internship, like start out going there and then after that, just simply start up going up there and then going back down. So also you guys have like two option RIA frequency scanner frequencies you guys can listen to. Also, I'm also excited about checking and seeing like what this class does for me, because the next class I'm planning to look and see like what taxes are about. I'm planning to see like what the business model canvas looks like. In today's videos, I'm planning to look up. It's just like how different places use like different business model canvas. So actually, like you guys have like some different choices, like for instance, everybody has like a good RIA scanner frequency they can listen to.
I'm saying that 7:15 has a schedule, 8:30 drop off. I'm asking you to go ahead and start getting him dropped off.
So right here, this is what the RIA channel sounds like.
34.
This is what the RIA channel sounds like there in Atlanta, Georgia, which I always like to listen to. Plus also you guys also have like different RIA frequencies you guys can listen to, like look around like at the different stuff, which I think is really interesting. So also so kind of like also what I've been learning the last couple days, like on RIA scanner communication, it's like different people likes to listen to this stuff like yours truly, because he likes to see like what the different bus system sounds like. But this bus system uses a different radio system than ours. Our radio system here in my hometown, actually here in my county, they use like a DMR scanner frequency. In the rural transit, they use like telephones on their buses, which I think is really kind of cool. So you guys have like different areas which you guys can go like look up. Plus, like also if you guys go looking around like at two of the different radio frequencies that are inside each area, you guys can go find out like there was a ham radio frequency that I tried to tune into when we were there in New Albany. Sadly, that radio frequency did not work because I didn't have the right tone or something. And then after that, you guys have like several different radio scanner vectors, which I think is really kind of cool. So like what I recommend, what you guys should do, what I recommend is that each people types in your local radio frequency area. And let's just say your local area uses the code of 541 as the talk group number, but the Bloomington Transit uses 1 or 2 as their talk groups, because 1 is fixed route, 1 is BT access, and the other one is fixed route, which I think is really important to be notified. So, also you guys also have like a couple of other choices. You guys got like the first choice, you guys can do like a deeper lookup, like on their different radio frequencies. You guys can also do like a transition overlook. And then after that, you guys have like several different areas that you guys can go do, which I think is really interesting. Like on the YouTube right now, you guys can listen to like Buffalo, which I think that's really interesting, because the Buffalo communication, that's the communication that I think gives out a world renown of radio scanners. Now a lot of people may think, what if I can't hear it? Like, what if I can hear the access communication because I'm waiting for a bus? That's your choice. If you guys would like to call in, you guys can at 336-7433. For an example, for me, it's like 876-1079 if the office is open. So also you guys also have a couple different choices. You guys got like the first radio frequency you guys can listen to is maybe like all the way higher up here, like a Cook. And then after that, it might be lower if you guys listen to Catlett, which I think is really kind of interesting. And I'm sorry, you guys, I don't have a choice in talking about this because I don't want to make any copyrights. So, also you guys have like different options for like different mayor responsibilities. Like for instance, you guys have a dispatcher, you guys have an operations manager, you guys have like a district manager. So that's kind of like all that. So if you guys are new to my channel, I recommend you guys hit that subscribe button, ding that notification bell so you guys will not miss out on any videos. And by the end of this month, I'm looking into getting up to 200 subscribers, so please make sure to hit that subscribe button.